Number 2, which equation could be solved using the graph above? And when you look at this graph, the important information you should pull from it are the x-intercepts. So where does this graph cross the x-axis? So we have a point at -1 and -2. Okay, and then where, if we want to build the equation from those 2 points, those come from x plus 1 and x plus 2, because if I remember, the x-intercepts are when y equals 0. So if we say 0 equals x plus 1, then x equals -1. Right? That's what x would have to be to make this equal to 0, and x would be equal to -2 to make this equal to 0. You'll get more practice with that in Unit 6. And then if we factor these out, that would give me x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, x times 1 is 1x, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we get x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0, which is answer choice B. If you find that a little confusing or not ready to kind of wrap your head around that sort of problem, you also, backup for this question is to type in each of these equations and see which one matches. I can cancel out A right away because you should know and recognize that if it's a negative x squared, when you graphed it, it would be opening down. So you can quickly remove A as an option, and then if you enter in option B, you can see that that's the one that matches. I would check all of them just to be sure when you're doing the test, to make sure you've chosen the best answer. Or you can solve the question by taking the intercepts, building the factors, and then getting the equation from there.